Visualization is one of the most basic techniques used in Dhammakaya meditation. As mentioned in our intro series, we traditionally visualize a crystal ball, the sun, or the full moon because they are universally easy to imagine. But in reality, any object that can keep your attention will suffice. For our course on happiness, let's try making our meditation object an object that makes you happy. In this case, let's make our meditation object a person you love, which is one of the most effective happy meditation objects we can use. So, when you are ready, sit comfortably and gently close your eyes. Let's start by taking a deep breath all the way down to your center. Allow your body to relax and be at ease. Think of a person that you love. See this person in a space within the center of your body, allowing all the positive feelings you have about them to accumulate within you. Remember and reflect on all the things you love about them, the ways they've helped you. You can recall powerful memories, letting those moments in time energize your mind and body. Or you can recall the qualities you appreciate the most about this person. Notice the feelings that arise as you do this. What are you feeling as you think about this person? Gratitude, appreciation, happiness, love, or joy. Stay with this feeling and this person at the center of your body as we continue in silence. Now, let us take in one more deep breath, slowly coming out at your own pace. Notice how you feel right now that we have finished our meditation. Visualization is one of the best tools we have for keeping our mind from straying, because it keeps the mind occupied with a single object. Using an object that makes you happy, such as a person you love or a place you enjoy, is a great way of keeping your mind happy and centered.